this is probably going to be the fastest snack, which is healthy, that you'll make in your life. So first we're going to chop some vegetables. I use leftover roasted vegetables. You can actually use any filling. You can have cheese, you can have spinach and feta or tomato. I just used my roasted veg because, like I said, I had leftovers. And just make sure to cut it that it doesn't stick together. I struggled a bit with the zucchinis, but eventually I managed. And then we did the carrots, and that was just a little bit tough. But yeah, stick to the end, then you'll have a nice balanced lunchbox for your little one. And you can actually even use it for yourself as it's just a high protein snack. And I mean, if you make it, you can have different types of filling, and you put it in a muffin tray and there will be more than enough for the week, and you can even freeze it, so why not? So yes, I'm almost done here. Then what we want to do, we want to get egg. So I used 1 egg and then I beat it. I must say it was really stupid of me because I used a very small cup and trying to beat it. It took a while to get there, but eventually I managed. So then after I beat the egg, I will get some cups and spray them just so that the egg doesn't get stuck. And then I take the egg and I pour it into a cup. And then I saw that I needed another egg for the other cup. So then we did the whole thing over again, trying to beat this egg in that little measuring cup. And then once it was beaten, I poured it again into the other cup. You can also always add some herbs like thyme or mixed herbs just for some extra flavor. You can even add some onion if you like, but I would first saute the onion so that's nice and soft, and then I'll put it in there. And then you can mix and match, but I prefer to do the one with carrot and the other one with the zucchini, just so it's 2 distinct flavors, and also just for the colors. That doesn't look too mixed and jumbled. Yeah, and then I use the air fryer, but you can use the oven. But it's quite easy. You just pop it in there at 160 degrees for 10 minutes, and then you walk away. And that's as quick as it gets. And then you come back and you have lovely egg muffins. And then we have the fruit, we have the protein, we have the veg, and the carb.